Alright, so January 2023 CSEC Mathematics Paper 2, Question 9b. The diagram below shows a circle with diameter KF. So you have diameter KF. Look carefully at it. The line EFG is tangent. First of all, KF goes from here to here. And then EFG. That's the line right here. The line EFG is a tangent to the circle. Good. And you remember the tangent does not cut the circle, it just touches the circle, right? At F. So F is the point of tangency where it touches the circle. The point FHKJ, we go around the circle, you see FHK and J, lie on the circumference of the circle. Alright? By showing each step in your work where appropriate, find the value of each of the following angles. Alright, I'm going to copy it and put it over here, but I didn't erase the board. Let me erase the board quickly from part A of the question. Alright, get rid of this. Okay, good. Now, and remember in part A, I'd ask you to do these things, your homework. Subscribe to this channel. It's at Mathematics Class Videos. Share the video with others. Make your comments, questions, whatever it is in the comment section. And to try the question before watching the videos. Alright? So, it's your homework. But anyway, let's copy this diagram and put it over here. Alright, nice. Let me make the diagram bigger. Good. Now what they say you want to do? Show reasons to find angle X. Alright. You want angle X. Let me write that down further here. So you're going to find angle X. ANGLE. My. Alright, so here. Where is X supposed to be? This is supposed to be where X is, right? Now notice, you have a circle theorem. The circle theorem, it says, the angle, an angle subtended, or that lies, an angle that lies on a chord, right? Or it could be subtended by an arc. The arc is FH. Over where you want to think about it. The angles that lie on a are subtended by that arc at the circumference in the same segment are equal. Right? All those angles would be equal. This angle would be equal to it. This angle equal. So all of those angles would be equal, right? Understand what I'm saying here? If you should form other angles, this is you have the chord, angle subtended by this chord. They lie on the arc or the chord, angle that lie on the same chord in the same segment are equal. Remember, you have this segment and you have this little segment. This is the area. The segment would be the two areas on each side of the chord, right? I had said earlier that lie on the arc, well, the arc doesn't divide the circle into two segments. It would be the chord, right? So remember now, you have this area here on this side of the chord, that's a segment, and then another area on the other side of the chord, that's another segment, right? Now here, if you draw this angle here would be equal to this and would be equal to this. If you draw this angle that lie on the same chord FH, right, all of these angles would be equal. If you also have this angle here, all of these angles are equal. Alright? Let's realize that this are equal. So therefore, based on that, x must be equal to, alright, x must be equal to FJH, which must be equal to 56. You see, accidentally erased part of this. It was angle x, ANGLE x. So you would say angle x lies on the chord FH, and angle J also lies on the same chord in the same segment, and angles that lie on the same chord in the same segment must be equal. So therefore, angle x must be equal to angle FJH. Angle x must be equal to angle FJH, must be equal to 56. Alright? So you have that. Understand what that is saying? Right? Remember, if you are confused about anything here, then you put it in the comments. Alright, so let's erase what we have here and look back at the question. The next thing they say, angle Y. Alright, so you must find angle Y. Next, yes, here's angle Y. This is the angle Y right here, right? Now, how could you find it? To think about it. Notice something here. The line FK, this angle here, is how much? And by the way, remember, you should try work out the question before you watch me do it. Alright, this angle is what? 180, because it lies on the straight line FK, right? Alright, that's 180. So angle Y is part of that 180. What remains? Alright, if you could find this angle here, right, then you would subtract it from 180 to get Y. You see that? So here now, you know angle X from before is 56 degrees. So 56 plus the 19 degrees plus, call it angle, what could you say, alpha, plus angle alpha equal 180, right? And in working it out, you could just isolate that triangle and showing you're working. You could isolate that triangle and say this is K, this is H, and this would be HI. Call it J. You make up J. They didn't put J before. And you'll say this is 56 and this is 19. So you put angle alpha here. Alright, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So you could isolate it, draw it to one side and do your work. 56 plus 19 plus alpha. That means this angle plus this angle plus this angle equal 180. So when I work it out, angle alpha would be 180 minus 56 minus 19 equal. How much does that come to? Let's see on our calculator what that would come to. 180 minus 56. You remove 56 and you also remove 19. Is it 19? Yeah, 19 equal. You get 105. So that angle is 105 degrees. Alright? And you could say this would be angle Y. In your working, you put angle Y degrees. So therefore, angle Y degrees plus the 105 would be 180. And then you write beside it, angle in a straight line. Alright? So Y would be 180 minus 105. So that would give you angle Y. Right? So 180, take 105 from 180 and you get 75 degrees. 75 degrees. Alright? So angle Y 75 degrees. Alright? 75. Now that angle, that being said, let me just write it here and let me remove the alpha business from here. Oh, write it in a different color. So this is 75 degrees. Good. And X was what again? 56? X was 56 degrees. Let's see what else, let's say, you're supposed to do here. Oh, they didn't ask for anything else. Alright, they didn't ask for anything else. And then you have part C. Since part B was circle theorem, part C seems to be some calculation of angle and length. Alright, let's deal with part C in another video. So I will see you in that video.